Get him!
It looks like they can't catch us.
Of course they can't! This is 1903. They're so slow. In the name of the law, stop right now.
Oh no! He's here! He found us!
Who?
Cooper!
The bog to the railroad!
Send them back to where they came from.
We need to get out of here. He's trying to send us back.
Where are we going?
1957. We're going to meet a very special guy. He'll be a huge help in the future.
It looks like they're traveling to the future, to March 7th, 1957. That's where we're headed now. Don't worry, we'll catch them no matter what.
What was that?
I don't know. And this is my first day on the job.
You can't catch me!
Oh no! Now what?
What? He escaped again? No time to lose. We have to find him.
Hello, Bobby.
Who are you?
Let's say I'm your biggest fan.
I don't understand.
You see this?
Uncatchable Bobby is finally caught? Exactly at 11 a.m.? If not for this crane, I would have been caught. You knew exactly where to be and at what time. Who are you?
My name is Maddox Jet. You can call me Mad Jet. I came from far away.
From the future, to be exact.
Future?
It's a long story. Well, because I helped you. I need you to come with me to get into one place. Plus, you'll be rewarded well.
Where is this place?
Well, it's not where, it's when. It's in the future.
I don't understand.
He meant to say this place hasn't been built yet.
That's right. We're going to the future. To the year 2122. To a place called Fly and Hover Gravitational Technologies Incorporated.
Why do you need me?
Because you are the best at getting into places that are locked. I tried 3 days ago, but couldn't get in.
And what's inside this place?
They have the technology to make me fly!
They're by the crane. Get them!
We've got company!
He's here again!
Who is this guy?
I don't know. He's not from our department. It's like he's from the future.
I'm not sure where Fog went. We have no time left. We must go now.
Did you see that?
Don't even ask. I I'm not sure what to even think anymore.
You tried before and you can try now. You'll never catch me, Cooper.
You are under arrest.
Fog, you are under arrest.
Finally, one is caught. Cooper is the best.
We still have 2 cars to catch. Get ready. Our next stop is in the future.
Did you see?
Don't even ask.
This future looks great. Look at the skyscrapers. And these cars. They're flying!